1, 2, 3. I will always remember the day you kissed my lips, life was a feather, and you went just like this, no stopping no better. In the summer of 2002, ooh, we were only 11, but acting like grown-ups, like we're all in the present. Drinking from plastic cups, saying love forever and never. Well, I guess that was true. Ooh, dancing in the hood of the middle of the wood of the old mistake, where we sang songs with all the childhood friends. Like and then, like it say, oops, I got nothing. I'm promising you bye bye bye. Hold up, if you